know I'm on my bonnet, that's fine. And for those of you on my neck, it's a little length, but this is a little halter top thing I got on. So we are doing this unboxing. I ordered me some stuff from Black Friday, and it's here. I ordered me and my mom some stuff, and I'm about to show y'all what I got, and then show y'all what I'm gonna do with my hair. If y'all can hear that, I'm sorry y'all, that is the washer. I don't know why all of a sudden it just got loud now I'm recording. That's fucking weird. Because I'm washing my hair. I need to wash my hair. Remember I was telling y'all on the video that some of my hair is like tangled together, kind of like matted. See this? Because of those fucking braids. So I'm gonna wash my hair, and I think I did a hair mask. I think I did a hair mask. I think I bought a hair mask. Some of these products is my go-to, and then some of these products I'm gonna try. So, turn it this way. I feel like I've seen this before, but this is the Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. I have not tried that before. I don't think I have. I've seen it before. I don't think I tried it. The rice water, I've used this. The rosemary mint blend strengthening conditioner and strengthening shampoos infused with biotin and encourage growth. I have not tried these, so these two are definitely one I'm going to be using to wash my hair with. This is the pomegranate and honey curl diffusing mousse with hold. This is my mama. I used some of this last night in my hair when I went to the concert with her, because she already got some, but I just bought her some more because it was on sale. This is a new product that she got out. Sea moss blend anti-shedding curl pudding. So I have not used it. I also got the anti-shedding leave-in conditioner. Of course, like I said, I haven't used that because that's a whole new product. I got the pomegranate honey twisted souffle. This is my holy grail, especially like I just started using this when my hair got when I had to cut my hair, but this has been my holy grail. I absolutely love it. It's very moisturizing. You don't have to twist your hair while this is in your hair. You can just put it in your curls and comb through. It's very moisturizing. So I got that, and I actually got two of them because let me see. Yeah, this is for my mama, so I got two of those. And put that back here. And then I got this rice water clay mask for your hair. It says it's a bonus size, so that's cool. So I got the rice water stuff. Clay mask. I'm going to be using this too. Let me see. Yeah, so I think I'm going to do the leave-in. I'm going to do the strengthening mint, whatever. Lord. The washing conditioner, and then I'm put this on after that and let it sit. I'm probably put I don't think my mama got no shower caps here, so I'll just put like a plastic bag over my head, and I'm gonna put this bonnet back on top of my head so it can like trap the heat in. And then the last thing I got was rice water and aloe vera itch relief, instant itch relief. So I got this because my scalp be itchy sometimes, because I have like dry scalp. I got eczema, which is it can be in your scalp too. Like when you was a baby, it'll be like, oh, okay, look at that, something like that. It's when you have dry scalps, and like that's why sometimes I don't like getting braids because my head be itching, And I'm used to like washing my hair a lot, but when you have braids, you can't really wash your hair a lot. And even if I like oil it and stuff like that, it still be getting itchy in a couple of days. And then like that's all that buildup in your hair is disgusting. But I got this, and you don't have to just use it for braids, but I like that I got the nozzle on there. So I am about to put this back in the box. Well, no, I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna leave out what I'm gonna use, and I think I'm gonna use some sea moss conditioner too. Leave-in conditioner in my pussy souffle. I don't really know yet, but I'm gonna go do what I need to do with my hair. I'm not recording and washing my hair part. That's just a lot. But when it's time to put my souffle and all that other stuff in there, I'm gonna come back and show y'all that this is moisturizing milk. So it's kind of like a leave-in conditioner, but like if you put leave-in conditioner in your hair and like a couple of days later you want to put something else in there, you will add this in here instead of having to put in some more of the leave-in conditioner. It's like to rejuvenate the moisture that's already in your hair. Yes, so we're gonna put that back in there. I'm about to go wash my hair, and then I'm gonna, in the next clip y'all should see me putting on my clay mask or whatever for my hair and all the other stuff. Okay, bye. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So I used the rosemary mint shampoo and whatever, like I told y'all. Honestly, I thought it was gonna make my hair feel super minty. It didn't really do that. The shampoo didn't at all. The conditioner kind of did, like my edges and stuff like that, but not that much. So anyway, my hair is freshly washed. It's kind of still damp. I'm kind of irritated because, excuse me, remember I told y'all that, you see this? This is tangled hair that I've been combing. So remember I told y'all that I don't like to get box braids. So I had like a knot in my head up here. No, I had two knots in my head up here, and I think I had some up here. I didn't really have none in the back. It was mostly up here or whatever. And also, some of this hair was damaged due to the color. Well, ladies, it's not that I got color and it damaged my hair. It's the person who did it. So, like, the knots that stuck in my head, like this right here, I've been, like, trying to comb the knots out. And so, me combing the knots out is causing me to lose hair, because I'm combing the mats out. It's kind of like if you have locks, and when you want to get you combing your locks out, and you're gonna lose a lot of hair, which I'm aggravated because y'all gonna hear my story time that about me having to cut my hair, and y'all gonna see why I'm irritated. So I don't know what I did with my hair scrunchie, but I need my hair scrunchie because we finna now, like, we finna put this rice water mask on here for 30 minutes, or I might do more. We're gonna put my cap on. Hold on. My bad. So I found this little thing, and I also found the clip. So whatever. So y'all, I'm just gonna part my hair, cause you wanna, I mean, you could put it in all at once, but I'm not. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna use this for the back part. See, my hair still shedding. And y'all know when y'all get y'all hair braided, that your dead hair sheds in the braids anyway. Look at this. It's irritating. Okay. So this is a hair mask. Well, it's a clay mask, but it's a hair mask. So it smells good. So off back, instead of digging my fingers in there like I really want to, because I hate when that shit get under my nail, I'm gonna just use the ending of this brush. This is another detangler brush. It's kind of like a demi brush, but it like glides. So the consistency is like a mask you would put on your face, which is different from Cream of Nature got a hair mask. Theirs is a little bit thicker, like seem hard. So I'm just gonna put this in here in this section of my hair. And it looks like I already got too much on my hand. Wait, put some of it back. See, look at this texture. It's like a mask you will put on your face. And then I'm just gonna take this comb and comb it through that. See, this one don't have enough. I'm not the person that's gonna tell you to do a damn fast. I'm gonna tell you to put as much as you feel like you need to put in your head. At least enough to have it lather in. And then you're gonna use your comb to comb through it anyway. So that's how you make sure it's really in your head. It's with the comb. So the back of my hair is shorter because of the way we cut it. Because I didn't want to take off so much hair. Like, I didn't want all my hair to be this short. Because it was already a shock for me to have to cut my hair. So I didn't want too much of my hair.
But I'm just gonna put all this in the back. You see me? Stuff like that. Then take my comb and start at the ending of your hair. And then work your way to the top. So like, that's cool. And then this other part of my hair. Kinda, I'm gonna separate this part. Put my wig clip on there. So I'm gonna move it out the way. So that's some left over on my brush. It's like bubble gum. Chewed up bubble gum. Now this is, they say you can do this every 2 weeks.
Or to your liking, they say. It's supposed to bring your moisture back. And I'm doing this because I had those braids in my head. And I wasn't able to moisturize my hair, which is another thing my hair needed. Because when she overprocessed my hair, it made my hair super dry and brittle and stuff like that. Whew, y'all. Once I put this stuff in my head and show y'all this, I am gonna do my story time. So after this video, y'all see me talking about this, go ahead and go to my next video about my story time about my fucking hair. And I'm just gonna forever be talking about it. I'm probably gonna cut this.
I'm gonna forever be talking about it because it's just something that I haven't really fully got over and something that I'm still like working with. Y'all see how this product got this looking like this? It's coming together because it's not just this product. It's just the front of my hair is the part of my hair that has to get back, like the longer part. She just can cut it off, even though some of it probably needed to be cut off. It would have been better to cut off because it would have been easier. I didn't want to lose all my length. Like, y'all, I'm going to insert.
See, I need to do a lot more. I'm going to insert I might insert a picture, well, it's a video of how short my hair was when I first cut it. I was hiding and everything. I didn't want nobody to see it or anything. So I feel like I got enough on this part. Let me go to the end, do like that. And I want to retouch my color up, but I'm gonna wait though. It's so light because my rinse is coming out and it's blonde. Okay, so I put this in my head. Now, if you have a shower cap, then man, I left my bonnet upstairs. If you have a shower cap, you could just put the shower cap on your head. But I'm at my mama's house and she don't have no shower cap, like no plastic disposable shower caps. So that's okay. Put the plastic bag around your head. I'm gonna twist the back like this, and I'm gonna stuff it under there. I just move it back some so the back of my hair can be in there. And I'm gonna put this clip on here too, because this is a thicker bag. I usually use a thinner plastic bag, but that's kind of thicker, so I put the clip in the back. And we're gonna put this in. I'm gonna keep this in my hair for 30 minutes. Maybe longer than that, because my hair been braided up for like a month. So I might leave it in there longer than that. And when I wash it out, I'm gonna come back and y'all gonna see what's next.